Now we have already studied maximum parts of the Google sites. If you want to try for more, definitely you are having the freedom to try it at your side, my dear kids. Now I will show you exactly how to publish your websites. Now, first, this was the preview mode. Over here, there is a thing called as undo last section, redo last section, preview. This is sharing your website with others. And over here, you will be able to see more options, version history, make a copy, and so on, take a tour. And from here, it is setting, where I require the navigation bar, I require logos or not. And then we will try to upload the logo also. Let's see. But for this, I require the logo for TGAA logo. Now, I think this is the correct. I will be just downloading this particular part onto my computer system. Save as desktop logo. Let's try inserting a logo also. Upload desktop and logo. You are able to see that the logo has already come over here. Again in the settings, Weaver tool, analytics, and navigation bar. Navigation bar at the top or at the side. Now when I click on the side, all my things, all my navigation, that is grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10 will come on the side. One more time, navigation bar. I will be moving to the top. You will be able to see all the navigation bar has come over here. Now you can also insert any of your Google documents, my dear kids. I will show you how to do it. Suppose I am having a Google doc now. Done. So I will be going under the document. Whatever is the recent document I have opened, I will be able to get a copy of that particular part, or you're required to search it from here. Done. So from here you are able to search it. I will be trying to insert this particular PPT that is already open, and the name of the PPT is Google Sites. So I will be going under the slides. One of the slides is automatically open, and that is Google Sites on which I am currently working. So recent will be that, yes, and I'll try to insert it. So you will be able to see that the Google Sites have been inserted over here like this. You can insert doc, you can insert sheets, form, charts, whatever you want. And if you want to make it at the center, definitely you can do it. Now I was showing you how to publish your website. Now over here you are able to see a blue color button that is publish. As soon as you click publish over there, publish your website by giving this particular name. You are able to see HTTPS, S stands for secure, sites.google.com/shembu.tgaa.in computer ICT, and I will be clicking on the publish option. As soon as I click on the publish option, my site will be published. Your site has been published successfully. Then if I want to unpublish this particular part, my dear, then you require to unpublish it. Okay. One more time your site is now unpublished. Again, try to publish it and click on the manage option. When we click on the manage option, let's see which are the things we are able to see over here. On clicking of the manage options, I will be able to see link varies change. Then public, that means this particular link is accessible to all or across Acres Foundation. I can go it restricted, that means only me. Acres Foundation, that means only the people across Acres Foundation will be able to view it. Done. Now one more time publish it. As soon as I publish it, it will show you, and click on the view option. When I click on the view option, you will be able to see your website is ready. Done with all the pages that are there, and I was showing you the PPT over here. You are able to see that the PPT, when we click over here, you will be able to see the PPT of the Google sites that we are currently looking upon. And it is dynamically. Dynamically means as I'm changing the Google sites, this will automatically get changed. And if you want to give the URL, so this is the URL at the top. You can share this particular URL with your teachers. So in this manner, you are able to publish your website and share your website with the teachers. And if you want to share the link, and yes, from here you are able to share the link also. Done. So in this manner, we are able to publish and we are able to create a website and then publish our website, my dear kids.